In front of me is POCO F6, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, select any password to check and enter your screen lock. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!